There's currently a golden opportunity to make copious amounts of money on TikTok and nobody is talking about it, so let's get into it in today's video. So if you know anything about the creator space, you know that TikTok is a horrendous platform to monetize your videos. The average TikTok generates anywhere from 2 cents to 4 cents per 1,000 views, whereas a platform like YouTube could pay up to $25 per 1,000 views depending on the niche. Now obviously there's a ton of reasons for these low payouts on TikTok, but that's all going to change, and in today's video I'll show you why that is. I'm also going to show you guys how you can make your own TikToks to hop on this train and start earning a ton of money. Alright, so if you guys don't believe me, let's just let the stats speak for themselves. This creator has an RPM of over $1. Keep in mind these are TikTok videos, so for this video that he got 21,000 views, he basically made $21. And keep in mind 21,000 views on TikTok is so easy. It's actually not even funny how much easier it is to get views on TikTok than literally any other platform online. The For You page provides free engagement, and getting 21,000 views can be done simply in a couple hours. But just to give you more motivation, here's a few more screenshots of other creators making a ton of money with this brand new program. We have this creator making $48 on 85,000 views. This creator made $155 on 336,000 views, and this creator made over $1,000 on a single TikTok that garnered over 878,000 views. Now I personally follow a few accounts on TikTok that post multiple videos a day that get over 1 million views, and they are making a couple grand every single day off just posting easy to make TikToks, which I'll show you guys how to do in today's video. But there is a small caveat to this program. So as you've heard me say multiple times, the word program, and that's what this is, and that's how these creators are making so much money. It's a part of the creativity fund that came from TikTok a couple months ago. That was one of their marketing pushes to combat YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels by providing $1 billion to TikTok creators in this creativity fund, where they're going to be paid out for the TikToks that they make. Now don't get this confused with the creator program or the creator fund. These are completely different things, and the creativity fund or program is going to generate you way more money than the creator fund ever will. I feel like most people view the creator fund as a complete joke on TikTok, and to be honest, it really is. When you're getting paid out 2 cents per 1,000 views, you're literally only making $20 per 1 million views. And let's say you have an absolute banger video that gets 10 million views, well, you're only making about $100. That is abysmal compared to YouTube, where if you got a video that hit 10 million views, there's a good chance you were making 5 up to 6 figures on that video. And this is the big difference between the creator fund and the creativity fund, whereas the RPM on the creator fund was 2 cents per 1,000 views, and as you saw in those screenshots, some of the RPMs are over $1, which is still much lower than YouTube videos. For example, I believe the RPM on my channel is somewhere around $5 for most videos. But keep in mind, these are TikToks. TikToks are very easy to make and very easy to get views on. So now I've hyped up the creativity fund. Why isn't everyone doing this? Why isn't everyone cashing in on this $1 billion honeypot that TikTok has set up for their creators? Well, the reason is because people are just uneducated on it. I honestly didn't hear about this fund until last month, and they came out with it like 2 months ago. So why isn't everybody talking about it? Well, it is because there are some requirements to join the creativity fund, but they aren't that hard to achieve. Firstly, and probably the hardest metric to hit for this creativity fund, is that you are going to need an account with over 10,000 followers on TikTok. Now, if you don't have 10,000 followers on TikTok, there are definitely ways, and I will say sketchy ways, that you can get an account with 10,000 followers to get you ready for this creativity fund, but I'll leave that all in my Discord link down below. So if you guys are curious on that, make sure to join the Discord. But the second metric that you need to hit is 100,000 views within 30 days, and let's be real, on TikTok that is so easy to do. Now, last metric is you need to be 18 years old in order to join the creativity fund. However, there's such an easy loophole where if you have a parent or a relative set up your account for you in their name, as long as you're just a guest appearance in the videos, you shouldn't have any issue with this requirement. There's been massive creators on YouTube that have done the same thing with this loophole. For example, the creator of Drama drama alert, Keemstar doesn't even actually own the channel because a long time ago Keemstar got banned on YouTube, and once you're banned on YouTube, you're technically never allowed to make a YouTube account again. However, he had one of his friends or like his wife create the YouTube account and then he just runs it, and that is the easy loophole that all these people on social media use, and you can use it here if you are under 18. Now the last requirement and the biggest misunderstanding between the Creativity Fund and the Creator Fund is that only videos over a minute long are going to apply for the Creativity Fund. So let's say you make a short TikTok that is 15 seconds long on a trending sound. You're not going to make any money off it even if you get like a million views. Your video has to be over 1 minute long. This is because TikTok's trying to encourage more creators to create longer form content on their platform to increase the length that people spend on TikTok. And all those screenshots that I showed you at the beginning of this video, those are all from creators that are making longer form content on TikTok, and you guys can do the exact same thing, and you don't even have to show your face if you don't want to. Some easy examples for longer form content on TikTok could be like news related content to a specific niche. This is something I've always done on YouTube, especially in my younger years when I just started out, and it was the easiest way to grow an account and garner views, as all you're doing is hijacking trending and popular either celebrities or just relevant news within your niche, and then you're going to talk about it in your video, and it's going to get picked up in the algorithm because of SEO. If a ton of people are searching for Ronaldo and you just made a video on TikTok about Ronaldo joining a new soccer team, there's a high chance you're going to get more views on that video because it's currently trending as a topic. And that's why these news related TikTok pages are going to perform so well. As you're talking about the news, and the news is always going to be something trending, your videos are most likely also going to be trending, but be careful in the niche that you pick, as there are a ton of other creators that are doing similar things on TikTok with news pages. It's just important to pick a specific niche to talk about your news. You don't want to be too broad and just talk about everything on the internet. You want to make it super niche on a specific topic. So for example, if your topic is going to be soccer and that's the niche you're going to go with, only talk about soccer news, anything revolving around soccer news, and it's going to be a lot easier to grow because TikTok will understand that the audience you're trying to grab in is soccer fans or football if you're European. Please don't crucify me in the comments. Now, another potential niche I could see doing very well with these 1 minute plus long TikToks is these tutorial based videos, but on TikTok, which is something I personally mastered on YouTube. And it's actually how I first started to make money within YouTube, is doing tutorials. And I think on TikTok, it's going to succeed even more. More and more every day, people use TikTok over YouTube to search up things like how to style your hair, how to dress for a night out, all these different tutorials that people are interested in. And you could easily make a tutorial that is 1 minute and 1 second long that's going to fit into that Creativity Fund and make you a ton of money. And what's amazing about this is that this video is not going to have a drastic fall off that you see with a lot of other TikToks. Normally when you post a short form video on TikTok, you're going to get an explosive amount of views in the first couple days, and then it's instantly going to fall off. You're going to get very little views thereafter. However, with a tutorial, people are constantly looking up that tutorial, maybe even years down the line, so your video is going to continue to garner more and more views and slowly roll you in more money. There is a massive issue with me personally, as I reside in Canada, and Canada is not one of the countries that's included in this Creativity Fund. However, if you're in the US, UK, France, Germany, Spain, or Italy, you're in the clear and you will be accepted into the program. Now, I am looking into loopholes on how I can register my account in maybe the US, even though I make videos in Canada, and then still get in on that Creativity Fund. So I'm still working on that, and I'll definitely keep you guys updated in my Discord. But it's been Trent from the Kingdom. I hope you learned something today, and have yourselves a fantastic day.